guys, welcome to Zian Science Club. My name is Zian. So we have mountain made of volcano, red, made of color red, and we have spoon, and we have baking soda, and we have secret acid, and we have stick mix. So first we gotta have this one too, but a cold glass of water. So guys, first we have to put red color. Because we have to put 5 drops. That's 5, 2, 3. It's one more drop. 3, 4, 5. Mix it up. Mix away. Next, open baking soda. Take this, heat it up, put it inside, and stop. Close it. Oopsie. Open this up. Wait. Put it on the table. Use a purple spoon. Pour it on the mountain volcano. And then let us put off a piece. Look what happens if I put water, red glass of water. Splashes. Voila, magic. Subscribe my video if you like my volcano. Bye. Let's get to 1,000 followers. Bye. Bye.